In Ontario, women with developmental disabilities have lower screening rates for both cervical and breast cancer than women without developmental disabilities. There is a clear need to educate these women regarding the importance of cancer screening and to facilitate their access to screening opportunities.
The general fertility rate for women with developmental disabilities living in Ontario is roughly half that of women without. People with developmental disabilities have reproductive rights that are now protected by law. This means the healthcare and social services personnel who are working with them have an obligation to find respectful ways to support this autonomy.
Health education materials produced for the general public are not necessarily useful for many people with developmental disabilities, and there are not many adapted materials on topics such as birth control and sexually transmitted infections.
We recruited women with developmental disabilities to help us develop a group-based curriculum and educational materials on women's reproductive health. They also visited a sexual health clinic, attending a presentation and tour by a nurse practitioner who answered their questions about birth control and sexually transmitted infections.
The visit to the hospital. Yeah, it was good. It was exciting, learned lots.
What I liked best about the group, was having a safe environment to be able to talk to other ladies who may be either dealing with similar issues or different ones. I also learned, better communication, like talking to my doctor, because that's always been one of the things I always have a hard time talking about my health. This group is important because being able to be healthy for yourself makes it easier to take care of others.
That's why they suggest pap tests, pap smears, as well as mammograms as well, and birth control as well.
One of the unexpected findings was the women's interest in identifying information and resources to help them answer questions from their children and teens about topics related to reproductive health.
They give us books and videos, and it's good to learn a lot about it because it's good to know, and then you can pass it to your daughter or your son to know about.